6:40. My bride will be walking down the aisle at 7. And I don't know if you can see these gentlemen up here, but this road is impassable. Water's over the curve. I don't think anyone going to be messing with this at all right now. Some couple gentlemen try to get past and unfortunate consequences. You can see no one's even coming on the other side of the freeway because it must be, I can't see it, but it must be flooded over there too. So, 6:41. We've got a brave soul over here. Get out of the water. Oh Lord, look how deep she stepped in. Oh man. I'm chilling on that.